This is Vanessa with GreenPath Baby, and I wanted to go over a quick tutorial today on how to create a registry and how to find a registry on our website. The first thing you want to do before you create a registry is you want to go up here to the top right of the screen, and you see that little guy there with the little head. You want to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And the reason why you need to create an account is you need to tell our website, whose registry this is. So this is for creating a registry. So I'm going to go ahead and just place an account here, store customer. I'm just doing a dummy account. All right, create. And here I have my account. It says I haven't placed any orders yet. At this point, I am ready to start my registry. So if you come here to the top menu, there's going to be a registry button, and I'm going to hit search create. To find the registry, I'm going to go here to the top. To create a registry, I'm going to go to the middle, and to manage a registry, I'm going to go on the bottom here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create. Now the registry title, I'm going to put Vanessa's registry. The event date would be the baby shower date, or maybe the date you're having the baby, whenever you think would be helpful for you, and for your the people that are coming to your shower to know when your shower is. You can say, this is Vanessa's baby registry. Please purchase some diapers. All right, you can even load an image if you'd like. If it's maybe a copy of your invitation, that's a great idea. Some of the information that you definitely want is the name, your last name. I usually don't recommend that you have a password just because it's an extra step for your family members and it tends to be confusing. So I tend to skip that and leave it open. What's the worst that could happen? Somebody will buy you some extra stuff. So it's not really that big of a deal. But if you're more comfortable with a password, you can go ahead and enter one there, right there. Contact information. I'm going to put my address. And I'm going to put my telephone number. And my email. I'd like to have my registry items shipped, or I'd like to pick them up in store. You can click them shipped. That's usually the most popular choice, but if you're registrant, if you're the people who are buying things for your registry, leave us a note. We can also hold it in store. Every purchase has an in-store pickup option. Shipping information, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to just copy here. Before the event, I'm going to send gifts to this address. Sorry, wrong place. Jupiter, Florida. And after the event, you can leave it as above to go to the same address, or you can put a new address below. So that's done, and I'm gonna hit create my registry. Okay, so here is basically what it's gonna look like from your dashboard view. It's really close to the view that the customers are gonna have. So let me see if there is something like, let's see, a baby carrier. I want to add a ring sling. All I have to do is come in here and browse over the product. And let's say I want a one size dark pink. This menu pops up, and you can add anything you want to your registry. Let's say I want 2 pink ring slings and 1 purple. I'm going to add this to the registry. All right. If I want to modify the quantities, I can just hit this button and it's gonna bring this menu back over here so I can adjust. Okay, modify registry quantities, it saves. So let's see, I want to keep going here. I want to go to feeding. I want to find some, here we go, the Moomy Joomy bottles. I want to add some of these to my registry. You can go here and just add to registry. Usually if it doesn't have options, it's going to show just that going directly to the registry. That menu, that little menu is not going to pop up. So we have here all of the things I've added. I can change what I want. Let's say I decided, no, I just want one of these. I'm going to change the number here. I'm going to save changes. And that's pretty much it. That is basically recording everything I do and putting it on my registry. If you see here, this is my message. I can edit my message here. I prefer to receive baby carriers. Okay, again, takes you back to this screen, update profile. So if you have a change in date or you have a change in anything going on, you can click there. So let me go to my registry here, and I'm gonna go to find and create. Now, if you click on the registry button, it's gonna take you to a different screen. You might wanna make sure that you click this search and create. So I'm just gonna manage here. I'm gonna manage my registry, and there it is. If you want to see where your registry is, or if you want to give people the direct access to your registry, you can click on the share button and it'll give you a direct link. You can email it to somebody, you can Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, and some other stuff there. Let's look at profile here. It takes you back to this screen. So it's really, really interactive. You can kind of do a lot with it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Now let's see what it looks like from the customer's point of view, like if somebody's shopping for your registry. One thing that you want to do is log out. You can even test to see if it's working. So now I'm not logged in. I'm just a random customer that went to greenpathbaby.com, and I want to find your registry. I want to find the registry that's going on. I'm going to give it a refresh here. So I'm going to go to registry, search, and create. And let's say I'm looking for my registry. One thing you can do is instead of using the first name and last name, you can just enter one or the other. I find that that's easier to find the registry because you're not, risking misspellings or anything like that. Okay, so I went ahead and I found my registry. I had my registrant name as store customer. So I just looked for store and it pulled up my registry. So Vanessa's registry, and here it is. So let's say I am a relative and I'm purchasing something. Okay, I want to purchase this. Update cart, checkout, and it takes you right to the checkout. Now at this point, you can log in or you can create an account and check out. And from here on out, it's very simple. It's just like you were checking out at any website. So that's pretty much about it. Anything with the registry, again, can be managed from the search and create button. That's about it. If you guys have any questions or difficulties, you see this button down here that says help. This will help you. It leaves us a message and it sends the messages directly to our email system that kind of shoots us an automatic message saying you're having trouble. So send us a message, we'll help you out, but it's really, really simple. And if you need help with anything else, our email is support@greenpathbaby.com. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and have a great day.